2,000, 4,000, 2,400. 11,000. Now, I'm not showing you these to brag or show off. I'm showing you these because everything I'm going to tell you in this video is exactly what I've done to increase my average ticket price and my close rate, especially when dealing with high ticket clients. There are 3 simple steps, and when you implement these steps into your mind and your business, you will see your revenue skyrocket. Step 1. Remove the chains off your mind. The biggest problem new and even experienced contractors make is that they think for their customers. If you're new to selling high ticket or dealing with this echelon of clientele, you got to realize that time frame, cost, quality, it's all relative. Just because you have a few $100s in the bank doesn't mean that your client won't give you a few thousand for a service that takes you a day to do. Too often we'll psych ourselves out of what we're worth because we don't think we're worth it. When in reality, the client already knows your worth and has paid for your services numerous times before. I remember a family member once told me,
I never paid $150 for pressure washing.
That same individual came out and helped us pressure wash a job worth $4,300 that year. Made $200 for a few hours. That's good money for the young man at the time. But what he lacked was empathy for the customer. The guy who's managing a family, a wife, multiple kids, a company of their own, they're okay with paying top dollar. Top dollar to them is nothing compared to the amount of energy and time saved. The dude's a millionaire. He'll get the money back in a week. If you really want to cross into the high ticket realm, you have to understand that these customers are not buying based on price. They buy based on the result and how comfortable they'll be during the delivery process. This is how most of us actually buy, but the folks with ample amount of money, they'll be okay with dishing out your handsome fee. That's a very small mindset tweak, but you need to do it if you're going to be serving high ticket clientele. Once you've made that switch in your mind, now it's time to position yourself. This is where most contractors mess up. You have to treat your first couple interactions with your customer like you're dating. The only difference is that your business, your brand is that famous Instagram model with thousands of likes, comments, and reviews, and your customer is a fat pocket sugar daddy. They've already called you, you're already at their home looking at their job. 9 times out of 10, they already checked you out and like what they see. People never call businesses that they know they don't want to work with. All you got to do at this point is not mess it up. You're not funny, don't go making jokes, don't talk about the Super Bowl, y'all rooted for opposite teams, stop smoking the cigarette, don't even mention the beautiful cars in the driveway. I'm not saying be rude, but stick to the game plan. And the game plan is to get in there and close as quickly as possible. The more time you wait, it's more time for them to change their initial impression about you or your business, or find somebody else who they may like more. Be kind and cordial, but kill them with objectivity. You aren't there to make friends, you're there to help them with their problem. Be confident. If you're not confident, fake it. If you're confused about something and don't know what to say, take a moment and pause. Remember, you do this much more often than they do. You're the authority. You set the pace. They don't know how this process is supposed to go, so use your authority and pull a power move. Stop. Sit there for a moment in silence. Figure it out. Look at the problem. Actually come up with a solution. Stop running your mouth. If you are not sure about the answer, the best thing that you can say is, I am not sure about this. Let me go find out and I will get back to you. Then get back to them with the right answer. Remember, you're there to help them solve a problem. If you have that solution, then you're more valuable than the money that they have to spend. All because of the pain that the problem is causing. Human beings are emotional creatures. We all act based on how we feel. Long as they feel confident in your ability to fix that problem, you will get the funds. Step 3 is the close, getting them to sign your contract and send you that deposit so you can start getting ready to get this work done. The truth is, if you've done everything right up until this point, if you've done step 1 and step 2, the customers will close themselves. McDonald's employees are never trying to hard close you. They may offer you add-ons, you may take them, but they are never begging or forcing you to make a decision when it comes to buying with their company. Everyone wants to buy, but nobody wants to be sold. At this point, we need to create and deliver a proper quote, a quote that outlines all of the expected services in decent detail. I also like to add pictures from the initial visit if possible, as well as thorough payment terms. Everything on your quote needs to look business. Any form of unprofessionalism at this point can make the customer lose a little bit of trust in you. Remember, when we're selling to those high ticket people, it's not about the money. They just want to find people they can trust. When they see the quote, they should have all of their questions answered. When you send it to them, make sure you ask if they have any other questions. Make sure everybody's on the same page. Make it easy for them to purchase from you. Once that's delivered, all you have to do now is wait for a yes or a no. Check in, offer a nudge or two, but do not get thirsty. We have to wait for them to be ready to buy. Nothing is more repulsive in business than desperation. The vibe should be, we like to help. Here's the price. Let us know if this is fine. We have the solution to your problem. It's going to cost you this much. Let us know if this is fine. It's just that simple. Shout out to the Raffle Winner for the free 30-minute business consultation from the last video. If you want a chance to win a free 30-minute business consultation with me, drop the comment, gold right in the comment section, just like that. Every comment that says gold will go into a random comment selector and the winner will be announced in the next video. I appreciate you watching. Hit the like, subscribe if you found this video helpful. Peace.